Sabi nila, love your neighbor. Pero totoo lang, minsan, ang hirap mahalin ng iba. Minsan, nasaktan ka na, iniwan ka, sinaktan ka. Pero ito ang paalaala ni Lord. Real love doesn't stay distant. Real love forgives. Real love shows up. Hindi sapat ang thoughts and prayers kung walang kindness, kung walang pakikinig, kung wala ang presence mo sa buhay ng kapwa mo. Magmahal ka kahit di deserve. Magpatawad ka kahit mahirap. Magparamdam ka kahit walang assurance. Because that's the kind of love God gives us every single day. Hindi loud, hindi pa cute. Radical, relational, real. That's love in God's frequency. That's what changes the world.